Respect isn't given, it's earned. And for most men, the reason they don't have it isn't because they're unlucky or unnoticed. It's because of the things they're doing, often without even realizing it, that erode respect every single day. In this video, we're breaking down 5 critical things you need to stop doing if you want to earn real respect. And stay until the end, because the last one is the most important, and it could completely change your life. Number 1. Stop seeking validation. If you're chasing validation, you're running a race you'll never win. Respect isn't found in likes on a screen or approval from others. It's found in how you see yourself. When you seek validation, you hand your power over to others. You let them decide your worth. But here's the truth. A man who respects himself doesn't need anyone else's approval. Define your values. Live by them. Let your actions, not the opinions of others, be your guide. 2. Stop being passive. Respect is earned through action, not hesitation. Passivity, whether it's avoiding conflict, staying silent when you should speak up, or settling for less than you deserve, is the fastest way to lose respect. People respect men who take the lead, who are decisive, and who are unafraid to take risks. Even if you fail, it's better to try and learn than to stand still. Take ownership of your life. Speak up when it matters. Make decisions that align with your goals, even if they're hard. 3. Stop over-apologizing. We all make mistakes, but constantly apologizing, especially when it's unnecessary, makes you seem insecure. A man who respects himself takes responsibility for his actions, but doesn't apologize for his existence. Apologies are meant to mend, not to beg. When you over-apologize, you diminish your presence. Say sorry when it's needed, but don't make it your default. Instead of apologizing out of habit, show gratitude. For example, replace "sorry I'm late" with "thank you for waiting." Confidence is in the details. 4. Stop hanging around the wrong people. The people you surround yourself with will either elevate you or drag you down. And here's the hard truth. If you're constantly around people who don't respect themselves, they won't respect you either. Negativity, laziness, toxic behaviors, they're contagious. And if you don't cut them out, they'll pull you into their orbit. A man who respects himself protects his energy and his circle. Take a hard look at your relationships. Are they helping you grow, or are they holding you back? Start spending time with people who challenge you to be better. Surround yourself with men who inspire respect by how they live. 5. Stop ignoring your standards, the most important. This is the foundation. Respect begins with boundaries. If you don't set standards for your life, others will walk all over you. Whether it's in your relationships, your work, or your daily interactions, you must make it clear what you will and won't accept. A man without standards is like a ship without a compass, lost and directionless. But a man who stands by his principles, that's someone the world can't help but respect. Write down your non-negotiables, commit to them, and remember, respect starts with what you're willing to tolerate. Without this, nothing else matters. Here's the reality. Respect isn't a gift. It's something you earn through how you live, how you carry yourself, and the standards you uphold. Stop seeking validation. Stop being passive. Stop over-apologizing. Stop surrounding yourself with the wrong people. But above all, stop ignoring your standards. Every day you have a choice to step up and become the man you're meant to be, or to stay where you are. Make the choice that earns you respect, not just from others, but from yourself. If this video inspired you, subscribe and join a community of men who are committed to growth, action, and self-respect. Your journey starts here.